you? Hope you are doing well and welcome to my channel Computer Science Project. So let's start this cool project. This project name is Rainfall Prediction System through Machine Learning Algorithm, or you can say Rainfall Predictions System through Machine Learning approach. So in this project we are going to use cool machine learning algorithm for prediction of rainfall. So let's not waste your time and let's see how this project is and how to implement this project. So before like going through this project, I would like to please click on like button, click on subscribe button, and you can go through hundreds of project on a channel and a website. You can contact me, I will send you code and documents of project. So let's go through this and don't waste your time. Yes. So as we know that rainfall prediction is very important. If we predict a rainfall, then it will be beneficial for a farming sector, agriculture sector, farmers and common people all around the world, and even the job going people, school going people, everyone. So let's see how this project is implemented. So all we know that in India, particularly in the state of half of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and some part of Uttar Pradesh, they face drought, like no rainfall in year, and if there is a rainfall, then it is very less. And we know that in northeast and the southern state there is rainfall at a good scale, but we want as like to predict for every month, year. So let's go through this. So in this project we are going to use different machine learning, data visualization, data pre-processing, data information, and then data training and implementation of algorithm, and then finding the accuracy and prediction. So uh, in this data set we have not only used 1 or 2 year, we have used more than the 100 years, like from 1901 to 2015. So you can see it is the data science or as a big data project. So in this is the model development, and we are going to use front end as a web page, as from we will make from HTML, and a backend which is made through Python Flask. And in this we are going to use different data visualization also, especially in the Jupyter notebook. And we are going to use machine learning, and we know that what is machine learning. Can I ask you guys what is machine learning? Take your time, I'm giving you 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Over. Now let me tell you. So machine learning is learning of a machine, or training the machine, or making the machine learn. How? First we will give a data, then we will give some algorithm, and then it will give us output. So in simple term, take an example. Suppose that if you want some shoes or shirt, so you will search on Google. So after like few minutes or few hours, you will see that you will get a recommendation of different e-commerce sites such as Amazon, eBay, Flipkart, and like about this price and all. So what it means, Google is taking your history as a data, then applying some algorithm, and then it is giving you recommendation. So that's a machine learning. Okay. So in this, what machine learning algorithm we are going to use? We are going to use 5 algorithm, guys. 5. First is linear regression, lasso model, ridge model, SVM model, random forest model. Means this 5 cool algorithm we are going to use in this project. So let's see how to run this and implement this project. So first of all, I would like to say that please go on your Google, search Visual Studio Code. Simple, click on download and click on install, next step, and then it will get installed directly. Then what you have to do, you just have to simple, after opening this Visual Studio Code, you have to go to file, open folder, then you have to open the download folder. Like the like suppose that you take this project from me, or from you download, in the there will be description, download description of this project in YouTube. Sorry, in YouTube description, sorry for getting fumble. So after downloading, then you have to open this Visual Studio Code, then open folder, then you have to open this project folder, then you have to see the project folder should be open like this. Okay, like this. Then you have to click on main.py, then you have to click on this right side button, this run button. You just have to click on this one run button. So then running on this, simple. See, it will, your web page will open like this. Cool. So rainfall prediction project. So we are going to see about Tamil Nadu rainfall prediction. So this is a whole India map, and Tamil Nadu is southern state. So this all are the district of Tamil Nadu. So suppose that if you want to see any particular month or year of like rainfall prediction in Tamil Nadu, so what we will just give a month name. Suppose that if I want to see about like 6, which is a June, and the year suppose that I want to see of 2023, like coming year. So submit. So the rainfall predicted will be this mm. Okay. So suppose that if I want to know about the more about Tamil Nadu, simple I will click on this explore button. So wiki page of Tamil Nadu will open. Okay. So this is a cool project. Suppose that if you want to like I want to check for past year. So suppose that if I take for third month, which is a March, and the year 1998. So it was 14.63 mm rainfall that year. So you can see in this we can predict the past year, we can predict the future year. So we can predict any month, any year rainfall in from this project. And why we have used particular like Tamil Nadu? Why? Because I will show you in this code. So this is your project, and if you want like code, document, basic search paper, PPT, synopsis, anything, you message me, you contact me, or there will be a download link in YouTube description. Download the project, use it for college, use it for your own learning. It will be very beneficial for you. It is a great project. It is a like full stack web development type project. And let me show you the code of this project, that's very important. So in this simple, uh, let me show you something. So this is a simple like Python Flask for integration of backend and backend and front end. So first we have we have took Jupyter notebook type IPYNB file, and we have used let me show you the whole code and everything. So we have used this rainfall India CSV comma separated value. This is your data set, and here is data set. So after taking the data set, we have done data exploration, which is a EDA, and then after use data analysis, then we have done data visualization. And after that, let me show you that this is all data visualization, different histogram, plot chart, and you can see year wise and everything we have done. So after that we have applied machine learning algorithm. Let me show you. So this is a modeling. Then first is a lasso model, second is ridge model, and third is SVM, and fourth is random forest we have applied in this. So after that we have got this model, and that as a model.pkl, and then we have used in this. And after that we have used HTML for front end and back end, and we have integrated through this. And then when we run, so we get a direct link, web link. Let me show you once again. So we just click on this button. If not, you can just direct go to new terminal. So do remember, like, try to get a Flask install your system. If you don't have, if you have, well and good. Otherwise you just have to simple pip in let me show pip install Flask. So after this, simple, you have to give python main.py. So you will get like this. uh, See, cool. So if even if you want to change the images, so like this, you can say button, everything you can change on HTML. So it's like pretty cool project from my side. And if you want this project, so let me know. I will send this project to you. Everything is available, code and documents. And guys, there is a website which I will put the link in description. This is computerscienceproject.in. Okay, computer science project website. So here you will get lots of project. You can see full stack machine learning project, uh, different web development project, React project, data science project, blockchain project, and all the project whichever you want, you can get this. And even you can go through YouTube channel. Let me show you. So this is our YouTube channel, computer science project. and we have lots of project like air pollution, movie recommendation, college library, blockchain project, and different machine learning project. So you can just contact me. I will send those code and documents to you. And thank you guys, give me a opportunity to help you out. Thank you.